everybody. Hope everybody's doing well. In today's video, I did some chimichurri pork. It's a pretty straightforward, easy recipe. It can go well with chicken, beef, or shrimp as well. I just marinated it for about 35 minutes in a little plastic bag. Then once it got done, after marinating, I put it in my cast iron skillet, cooked it off, got a good color and good sear on it. It's really good grilled if you got a grill to do it, but it goes well in cast iron too. And then I did some rice that just went along with it, and just cook your rice however your box or packet says to cook it. And then with the rice too, I threw in some of the chimichurri sauce and mixed it through so it could have that flavors going throughout my pork and my rice. And then I just sliced it up and served it, and that's pretty much it. Anyways, I love y'all, and I'll catch you on the next one.